Welcome to Wheels on Main Street. It's our 25th year. It's Celebrate Commemorate Memorial Day in Waterloo, New York, the birthplace of Memorial Day. And we have the entire original team here with us right now. The people that started this, the people that make it happen.
Who are they?
Well, this is Bob and his beautiful wife, Bev Good.
Oh my God, thank you.
And this is Gary and Donna Stengle. And we wouldn't be here today if it wasn't for these four people.
What do you guys like to add?
I think it's wonderful.
We had a good time doing this for, what did we do, 22 years?
Yes.
And thank gosh that Mike stepped up one day and said, well, I'd love to help you. I said, you can do it all. And Mike has done a great job.
They did the hard work.
Started with maybe 8 or 10 cars.
You've done a good job.
Well, congratulations on 25 years. You guys really make this event special.
Well, there was a lot of good people that came before me, and here's a handful of them right here. That might be Larry Mills' truck. That's a decent representation of some new and old there that quick. We were looking at from the late 1950s right up to just the last couple of years. 64 Vat, mid 70s Monte Carlo. Here's the Thunderbird, the Ford recreated about 20 years ago.
Wow, they're really parked all the way up here this
Station
year.
wagons are a big thing now. They were nothing in their day, and now they're very, very sought after. Of course, trucks. A little bit of everything here. I mean, there's even a Jeep. Woody. Waterloo is known for its Woodies.
Okay.
Up to the old Cardinales, that's a big plus for us. We're covering a lot of ground. Of course, here come the tractors, which our tractor group is growing, which is really cool because we're reaching out to a whole other group. These guys are very precision with what they do. Those two are sequential serial number.
They're going out to Iowa.
Yes.
National show.
Well known. A little bit of everything. Firebirds. Goes right up into the modern vehicles. Here's the Ford Camaro. A couple of them, as a matter of fact. Even an old police car. A little slower for you. Coming on to the registration booth. We can see Dave Carroll's 57 over there. That's our black car, which is a real feature vehicle. Police families, Barracuda. Well known in the area. Some new Corvettes in here.
Well, I saw Corvette Alley, was pretty impressive.
Yeah, we get a group of them. Marshall's 300. It's under 30,000 miles on that. Of course, this pickup, that was our feature vehicle last year. A bit of everything from Chevrolet to Ford, GMT, and a Rambler.
Beautiful vehicles here.
Just beautiful. Just beautiful. Pickup trucks. Well known, that we're lucky we're getting pickup trucks, very sought after, driven hard in their day. They're wanted now. Metropolitan there on the corner, how's that?
My grandfather had one of them. I learned how to drive a skater out of Metropolitan.
Oh, no. Finger Lakes region. Check out the motorcycle. You know, there's events held throughout the summer, and a lot of people view this as the kickoff show, and it's just you love it. It's beautiful.
Got it.
There you go. So we have you know, a lot of people that look forward to this show as a start to the season, and of course everything that Celebrate Commemorate Waterloo has just adds to it, makes it a good party.
Our narrator, the chairman of this great event, Mike Scaglione.
It's awesome. It's awesome. A lot of great people working here. Martin tribute. Gary Pepe's Corvette.
Makes me miss my 64.
Let's make sure we don't get ran over here.
Ooh, and that's my favorite section of town.
Yes.
Look at these
True
Corvettes.
American sports car. Bowling Green, Kentucky. Every single one of them made in Kentucky. The new mid-engine.
Doesn't even look like a Corvette anymore. It looks like a what?
So it's built to compete on the world stage. And of course, Ford's rendition at the time, the Thunderbird.
Oh yeah. But it will be
Dodge
this way.
Charger, early 70s.
Okay.
Everybody understands the hand signals anymore. We're trying them to see if we can be safe.
Yeah, right. Oh, look at this.
A nice Corvette there.
Nice, nice.
Mid-60s, probably about a 65. Seven. There's here, Cadillac with the fins, of course, the traditional American hot rod. Some more trucks. An old panel work truck. Just beautiful. Rust is beautiful.
Rust is beautiful.
Rust is beautiful. There's Tom.
He's a star now.
Yes, he is. He makes it to the great video at Celebrate Commemorate. This show offers something for everybody.
Amazing.
There's so much to do with the whole family, so many events. It's a full day, it's a full weekend. And today's special for us. They start arriving in the early morning hours. more. More station wagons. It's just beautiful.
After the Star Spangled Banner, start your cars, rub them up for about a minute, minute and a half.
Gallons of gas.
We're 45 years involved in racing. We want to give you that. We're happy to have your car and have you here today. And then with a couple of other guys, Bob and Gary. We'll bet it down there far behind us, Donna. Bob, we want you to have that. You got a room full of trophies, Bob. How's that doing against them?
I like that one.
There you go.
That's my favorite one.
There you go. So